Hi, I'm Dana S. Diaz, and I've been unmuted by Papamutes. But then they use this manipulation so that whatever, abusing you and breaking you down almost gives them a sense of importance and a sense of power that helps them to feel better about themselves. But they all have in common that there's an insecurity and they cannot be flawed. They cannot have people think that they're, flawed in any way or have any weaknesses. But, that's a very basic concept. It's very, very complex, though, when you're in the situation.